Okay, so here we are. This is the first video of the unboxing of the new Spectrum. This was my first PC, so it's incredible. We have in 2026 we have a new version. So as soon as you open the box, you have this one. You open again and here it is. Wow, that's pretty amazing. So nice. So after pulling this out, okay, you can uncover it. All right, so look at this. It's very much the same. Wow. Same feeling, super nice. So we're going to connect this computer to the TV. Right? Perfect. And then we're going to test some games. Wow. Okay. I don't see any power supply, so you just have to know that if you buy this, you need a power supply to use this computer. Okay, let's go. All right. So we connected the power here, the TV, and the joystick here, and now there is the little button here called power, and we press it. Press this one. All right. We just wait. Wait 1 second.
Look.
1 second. Oh, look at that.
Look.
So nice. Oh.
Accenderlo.
Well, all right. Okay. Whoa.
Visto? Puoi mica.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's play. So this is the original machine. Original Spectrum, and this is the new one. My goodness, they look like exactly the same, and even the weight. Look at that. Around 5,400 grams. Almost the same, which is insane. I mean, look at that. They're pretty much, if you're looking at them in the back, maybe the new one is a little bit higher, but not too much. Look at that. Fabulous. That's a fabulous machine.